Hi everyone, welcome to my 2-minute video. We are going to look at, within 2 minutes you will get the answer on how to lift up and put down this center console headrest right in the middle. And we're going to look at it right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
Hi everyone, if it's your first time, I know people keep saying please subscribe, but in my case, if you subscribe and put your subscription detail by telling me that you subscribed in the comments, you will be added into a draw that is going to come out in the future for some goodies. Okay, let's get back to this. You want to know how this works, and let's do it. So you see this little button here. So the easy bit is to lift it up. When it's down is easy, right? That's the easy bit. But getting it down again is the problem. You see here, there's a little button right there. And you have to press that at the same time pressing this down. Now, I've pressed it down a little bit so that I can show you. So once it's pressed down, with 2 hands, you're down with that and you're there. And that's it. Many people didn't know this, didn't know it lifted up and didn't know it was a headrest. So it can be adjustable. It is. And until the next 2-minute video, take care. I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching Mal's back talking Tesla. Remember, if you're buying a new Tesla, use my referral code link here. And don't forget to subscribe. It's free. What if you didn't have this?
Oops.